This you may use it more in air combat. So, I'll try it. Now the motor coils are normal. Just finished a long-lasting run. Look at the voltage. Let me simulate this for you. The effect of this actual air combat. I put my phone here because of safety considerations. I'll use a board as a protection. Full throttle. The motors are broken. Take a look at the situation on site. All of them are like this. The base is rotten. The motor just fell off. The propeller is also. It's like this. The motor is not burnt. Can you see it, friends, in the video? Let's try again to see if the motor is normal. I'll see how I try. I'll just be like this. Grab it with your hands. Push the oil again. See if he'll turn round. No problem. The motor can work normally. The temperature of the base is quite high now because I'm wearing protective gloves. The motor is not burnt out. It's not broken either. Then test.